To start, open Downloader, and if you don't have it yet, just simply go to search and search for Downloader and install the app. Choose Allow if it asks you. Hit OK, and then on the URL type this in. And hit Go. Wait for it to load up. Now this is optional. On your remote, press the 3-line button twice to view it in full screen. Move down and choose the first button. Then install. If it's not letting you install the app, be sure to turn on apps from unknown sources first. Check my video on how to do so. App is now installed. Choose Delete to clear up some storage space. Now if you're wondering how to gain access to the app, or if you're looking for a new one, click on this button. You may also chat with me at Patreon if you have any inquiries. To access this page on your phone or computer, you may scan on this QR code. And if you're looking for recommended streaming devices, scroll down in this section for some amazing deals from Amazon with my affiliate link. If you find this video quick and easy to follow, be sure to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe if you have not yet, or maybe you can send some super thanks to support my channel. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.